Okay, you guys, I'm going to show you how to simply put one photo into another photo. And this is going to be important, whatever you do, but later on when you do this tutorial with the debris that you need to add to this assignment for the frost effect. So first, you're going to have whatever photo that's already open, which will be this picture right here. And at some point, you need to add the debris to this photo. So after you do what you need to do, you can come up here to File, and you can go Place Embedded, and you can select the debris, the frost debris PNG, and hit Place, and you'll be able to make it bigger. Now I think you might have to use the Shift key to work with this to keep the so it doesn't get deformed, but you'll have to resize it to whatever you want to do. But that's basically it. Once you have the size you like, you can hit Return, Enter. If for some reason you need to change that size again, you can come up here to make sure that Show Transform, and this little the Move tool is selected. Okay, and then you'll be able to hold down Shift and make it bigger or smaller, and then just hit Return again. But that's how you'll add your other photo to this. You'll have to do a lot more to it, but that's the basic idea. Okay.